Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So today we're doing a driving video, another city driving video. This time we're driving from 3 miles. The relatively newly finished 3 miles bridge and overpass. That's what we're driving under right now. So we're driving from 3 miles to Alpha Tree via HAGLEY Park Road. So you guys definitely stay tuned. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment as well. And you don't have to wait till you finish the video to like it. Like the video from now. And you leave a comment. Remember to share. And remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So your help is needed. So it's 3 miles to Alpha Tree. So stay tuned and definitely enjoy your drive. Or enjoy the drive. So we're passing the intersection for Waltham Park Road and HAGLEY Park Road. So we're still going up Constant Spring Road, heading into the direction of Alpha Tree. So we're driving from 3 miles into Alpha Tree. So this road is also a finished project. Was converted in 4 lanes, new drainage, stuff like that. So we're now on the Constant Spring Road improvement project. It was being worked on the same time that 3 miles was being worked on as well. So much improvement. Alright, so some showers of blessing is coming down. So it's raining, not very hard, just a dew, while we head closer to Alpha Tree. Alright, so we're basically in half a tree. So not a lot of traffic, a very quick drive. Guys, remember to leave your comments. So we're coming from 3 miles. Leave your comment whether on 3 miles or Constant Spring Road. Sorry, I think I keep saying Constant Spring Road. My bad. HAGLEY Park Road. Wow. You know, HAGLEY Park Road and Constant Spring Road was being worked on at the same time. And I think I did a driving video on Constant Spring Road, you know, very recently. So I think probably that's why I keep saying Constant Spring Road. So we are on HAGLEY Park Road and we're coming from 3 miles. And HAGLEY Park Road was a part of the road improvement project, which it was converted into 4 lanes. So my bad if I kept saying Constant Spring. I think I may have. Alright guys. Alright guys, so we're in the middle of half a tree. So we have Transport Center in front of us, Mullines Road on the left. So we've reached our destination. So again, thanks for clicking on the video guys. Thanks for your continued support. You know, I know I have persons that always watch, whether it's a community drive, a city drive, a drone video, apartment update, apartment tour, new construction, road review, whatever the video is. I know I have persons that always watch, and even if you don't always watch, you prefer certain type of videos and that's what you watch, that's fine. I really appreciate your support guys. So thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for pressing that like button right now if you haven't yet done so. So we have the Transport Center on the left, and we're going to be crossing one of the busiest, if not the busiest, intersection in Kingston and in Jamaica. So that's what's coming up next, and I'll see you on another city drive.